You guys, you know what's actually so freaking dumb? Happy New Year's, by the way. It is New Year's Eve. It's like 9:30, and I'm supposed to go to my friend's house, and I'm in Niagara Falls right now. She lives in Niagara Falls, and I'm at my parents' house right now because I'm supposed to get ready here before I go with Hong. But I thought that I left my dress here that I'm supposed to wear, but I actually didn't. I actually brought it to Mississauga. So it's in Mississauga, so I have to quickly find something to wear here. I have clothes here that I haven't worn like since I was 15. And then there's my mom's closet and my brother's closet. So I'm going to see what I can find right now. Oh my gosh, guys, look. I actually found this in my closet that I haven't worn since I was 15. I don't even actually know if I ever wore this dress before. I don't remember. It actually fits like pretty perfect. So I got lucky. I got really, really lucky. I didn't even have to go into my brother's closets or my mom's closets. So we are good.
Julie, I made one for you.
Oh my goodness.
This is my first oyster that I shot.
So cute.
There you go.
Thank you.
Showing me. Ready? Cheers.
Is it good?
Something in the washer.
Yeah.
Ten, nine. Oh wait, I'm too early. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, it feels so different, so much fun. Happy New Year! Kiss, 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 kiss. He ran away. He ran away. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh. Happy New Year!
Hey guys, so we just came back from grocery shopping at Pat's, this Korean grocery store, and we bought some cooked pork hock for lunch, and right now I'm going to be making a green onion omelet. And then we also bought kimchi, some Korean noodles. I know some of you guys have been asking for like recipe videos and stuff like that. We really don't do recipes, we just kind of wing it. I'm just putting some oil in the pan. And then all I put in here was chopped green onions, salt and pepper, and obviously eggs. This is like 5 eggs. So then I just get my spatula, and then I kind of move this around. There's like a layer of egg that is cooking at the bottom. So I kind of move it around so the rest of the egg can be cooked. We're also cooking some rice right now. This is a rice cooker that I can't really cook for. And the beauty of omelets is you can put whatever you want in it. This is just the most simple version, which is what we like to eat. Also, as we were just putting away the groceries, the FedEx guy came and he gave me this package from TEAMI Blends. They're a company that has all of these like healthy products just to live a healthy lifestyle. They started off with tea, and they were really big on their detox tea and their detox plan, but now they have all kinds of products, skincare products, They have essential oils. They have one of my favorite teas is the vanilla matcha TEAMI boost. For me, it's kind of a replacement for coffee or anything caffeinated that keeps me awake, keeps me energized. I'll take that. But this is what they recently gave me, like just now. So this is so much cuter than all the ones that I've ever seen. So I'm excited for this and I'm gonna test it out. I love smoothies. I haven't taken it out yet. I think she told me that it's coming out on the 24th. So maybe it's out now. I don't know when I'm uploading this video, so. Oh yes, so it's actually glass, which is great. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is this? I love it. So I let the cats out for a little bit because it's actually not that cold out today. You guys, what are you doing? Look how fat Piggy is. He's actually kind of fat. Babe, Hong, and Hong. I need help. Hong, you are so muscular and so strong, right? So this is the spread for the day. What is this, like the pig feet, right?
Yeah. It's like knuckle.
Oh, here's a good piece for you. It has meat on it.
Mmm. You're a vegetarian too.
Mm-hmm. Yum. Hong's just shoveling because we all of a sudden had a snowstorm. Today we're just going to be cleaning it fully. We're going to start building the things that we bought from IKEA, setting everything up right after we clean it. It should be good. It should be fun.
So this is the process. Julie has to sweep all around here. Then I come through with the Swiffer wet and I clean it all up. I got the finishing touch, making it all nice, isn't it?
Hiya.
What's up?
Tired?
We're almost there though. Then we get to the fun part.
What?
Get to decorate the house. Make it look however you want. Glamorous. Maybe it's gonna be crooked off.
Such a crazy feeling, man.
This is just such a crazy feeling though.
I don't want to get
Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm actually going to an event and I want to take you guys. It's called Social Media Accelerator for Ambitious Businesswomen. So it's a great event to go to, especially at the beginning of the year. So hopefully this makes for an even better year. There's going to be giveaways, prizes, there's lunch there. They're actually going to give us a little photo shoot as well. And I don't know, a bunch of other stuff. So I'm going with my friend Peggy, and I think I've introduced her to our vlogs before. But yeah, it's downtown, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So we'll see how much I can vlog there. Checking in. I know, right?
I'll take it. There's more.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
them more and you can move them wherever you want.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you. Everything looks so cute. So I'm here with hiking. Having some breakfast, some quick snacks before it starts.
So, a couple of logistics first. So we have the
Are you doing a meatless dinner? I was fasting. Are you recording this? Oh, cute. So cute.
something to like kind of get the conversation going. Maybe you haven't done your photos yet, please do.
Look at all this food, guys. Hey guys, so I am back from the event. The event was so much fun, super informative, and I met a bunch of people there that I didn't add to the vlog because I don't know, I just get super self-conscious and I probably should have added them to the vlog, but there were such cool women there that are all entrepreneurs as influencers or on the business side where they actually have their own businesses. So it was great, and they fed us like crazy. We had breakfast there, we had lunch, and a really big snack there as well with all kinds of treats, and they gave us a goodie bag. So I just opened the goodie bag. This is what was inside. So they have a little, I guess, bamboo plant, which is so cute. Some Welch's gummies. That's actually one of my favorite gummies. And also this little thing for my phone. So instead of like that round thing that people usually have on their phones, I forget what they're called. Hong, what's that round thing that people have at the back of their phones again? You guys know, to like hold on to your phone properly so you don't let it fall and to help it stand up. I can't wait to put that on my phone actually. Also, me and Hong went to bubble tea right after my event. But anyways, that's just a side note. We actually just got our sink fixed. It doesn't clog up anymore, which is amazing. I don't even know if I mentioned that, but yeah, we got it fixed today. So I'm happy about that. I don't have to wash the dishes in the basement anymore, in the laundry room. So that's a plus as well. So overall, it's been a really great day, right, Hong?
It's been a marvelous day.
Yes. So that's about it, guys. We'll see you later. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I had a big crying session. Right, Hong?
Good.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry again. Wait, I don't have tissue. I'm gonna try not to cry. Okay, so yesterday, Kobe passed away, and his daughter and I guess like another family who was a passenger in his helicopter, and then the pilot, and like anniversary, and it said like, me and my best friend for 20 years. They had that like super strong love, like best friend love. And I just know that kind of love, and it just makes me so sad that she lost her person. I'm kind of crying. And usually like when I hear this kind of news, I don't, it's like I feel really sad, but I don't like bawl my eyes about it. But last year we had like 3 major deaths. I don't even think I mentioned this in the vlog, did we? I don't think we did. I think I tried to vlog about it, but I was just such a mess. But last year we had, my uncle passed away. Like they were visiting from the Philippines, and he passed away at the beginning of last year. It was pretty unexpected. They were kind of like on vacation here, just visiting her family and everything, and then he found something weird go on with his foot, and then it became problem after problem after problem, and then the doctors couldn't do anything anymore, and then he passed away in Canada, and then he had his funeral here too. So to see his wife, my aunt, and his daughter grieve like that for him, just like made me think of Kobe's wife and how she's grieving for her husband. And then in the middle of the year, my grandma passed away. We were just really close to her, and I spoke like at her funeral and all that. Really bad ice storm, and our family friend, she was mostly like my brother's friend, she was in that age group, but she was like really close with my brothers, and she passed away, and she was so young. She was 24, super young, super beautiful, and yeah, I would always see her like at the house and everything, and she was dating my brother's friend, dating her boyfriend for a long time. But when we went to her funeral, to see her parents death. And I felt like I was just crying the whole year. And that's why we didn't really vlog too much, but so I don't know. I have a bunch of clips from last year too. I might post it. I don't know if I will or not because it's literally from last year. But it was just so hard to like pick up a camera and edit and stuff like that, so nothing was really flowing, and it was super late in editing and all this stuff. But maybe I'll post it for just me and my family. But anyways, we're going to Niagara right now. What else is new? We're always going to Niagara.
What else is new going to Niagara? I think you know, with all the different passings, it's a constant reminder that life is short and we have to try to make the most of each day. I think that's the reason why Kobe was so inspiring to the world, because he had a work ethic like no other. Like, that's why his death is so impactful in so many lives. So for us, you know, we want to kind of get things done, and one day when we pass, you know, we would leave a legacy, you know, of our own, be impactful in some way into other people's lives. So we're out in Niagara to make the most of our day and just get some things done. And for me, I view like passings in almost like from a different understanding. I don't know if anyone else is kind of like that, but it's almost like I understand the impact and the reason why they were brought to this earth in the first place, and I just kind of like view it from that perspective. It's like, yeah, all the people that she mentioned, they did what they had to do with their time here, and yeah, it's just you know, I think it's a great reminder to myself, like, go out and do something impactful in the world. That's what we're gonna try to do.
It's true. It's like you should never take life for granted. That's for sure. Make the most of it. But I know, like, me and Hong believe that when you pass away, you're just in a better place, and it's just the missing part is hard. Like, you really miss that person, and grieving is normal, but to know that they're in a better place, like, I think gives me peace, and it actually makes me stop crying for a little bit. But the whole missing thing, and it's just really hard to get over, and it's hard to grasp your head around the whole situation sometimes, because you ask so many questions, like why my uncle, why Nana, like why now, like, you know, like there's so many questions, but there's always like a bigger picture. I think that's what gives me peace. It's like the only thing that gives me peace. If I didn't have that, I'd be like a mess every day. But in every hard circumstance, there's a bigger picture that we can't see ourselves, because our minds are so small. Like, we don't understand. It's so hard for us to grasp those things, but there's a bigger picture. We're at Tim Hortons and we're getting the Dream Donuts. Have y'all?
Thank you very much. You too.
Guys, we're getting the Dream Donuts, and Hong, remember that post that we saw?
Yeah.
about the dream donuts.
Those are funny. I hope they like look good. Because the ones that we saw, they were like trash.
Yeah, it was like an article of failed dream donuts.
The color was wrong. Like it was supposed to be a pink icing donut and then there was white on top.
Yeah.
I hope that didn't happen.
Yeah, it was actually so funny. So I wonder what these look like. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Ooh, actually,
They actually look
these
legit.
look perfect.
Good job.
So I did my makeup. Doesn't look like I had a crying session anymore, right guys? So we're in Niagara now. So we're bringing this to the brothers. And
See, the brothers, we're having a meeting.
they are having a meeting, but with my brothers. My brother has a business and Hong's helping them out with that, managing all kinds of stuff and whatever. So I'm excited to try these donuts though.
Wait, this is for the meeting?
I'm gonna have some. I'm gonna have some. I'm at my parents' house, and the other day I made a ton of banana bread. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know that I made a lot of banana bread because I had a lot of brown bananas, and that's what you do. When life gives you brown bananas, you make banana bread. So I have this banana bread for my family here, leaving this at this house, and then I packaged a bunch of banana breads. I like cut them up and they will be going to my aunts and my cousins. Yeah, but we've been in Niagara like in and out this whole month, mostly because my mom went through surgery. She got hip replacement, so there's that. We didn't vlog that because, you know, I still feel weird about vlogging those types of situations, but let us know if you want to see like the good and the bad, because sometimes, I don't know why, but I feel like you guys only want to see the good, and we love filming the good, but sometimes you just gotta be real, right? I enjoy it when vloggers that I watch get real on their vlogs, and I actually really appreciate it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I know like the last clip was like almost too real. I'm so uncomfortable filming those vulnerable moments, but maybe I'll work on that if you guys want to see more of that, because we do have a lot of those vulnerable moments. But anyways, I'm gonna probably deliver all of these. I know my cousin's here to take some of them to, like, to his mom and stuff like that. But yeah, throughout the day we'll be doing that, and then working on a bunch of other things. Hong right now is downstairs at that meeting, and I'm going to steal some donuts. So this is a special delivery to my mom. You're walking around without your walker now? Oh yeah, my mom is coughing now. It's okay, Mom. We gotta film the reel. No. Mom, get on the reel train. Mom, you don't look bad. No, you don't.
Just give me that other rest. Let's wash all the blankets.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it. Here's your blanket. Okay guys, so my mom doesn't want me to film her eating it.
Sorry, Julie, but I'm not in for a video right now. But are you filming me?
No, it's pointed at me.
Whoa, it tastes really good. The banana cake tastes really good. Thank you for...
Wait, do you actually like it though?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay guys, she likes it.
It's really good.
I would want to have like some pieces that are like a little different that I would have in multiple sizes for people.
Because if you're like designing like a different cut, you don't have to make, let's say you make the first one, you don't have to make all and have it made specifically like that.
Yes.
It's like you're like the 3D printer, you print out the original, and then we get the rest made
Yeah.
by someone else.
But for when we do that, I just want it.
Like you want it to be ethical, like a
Yeah.
local
Or yeah, just ethical.
that operate, and people can't pay Like they work there full time and they still can't pay for themselves. Does that mean that we shouldn't?
Does he look different? Not really.
A little bit,
Yeah.
but I feel like I saw him like kind of recently. His hair color changed.
Aww.
He's like, what's that? Oh no!
Wow, look at those blue eyes.
He's always smiling, but as soon as I like go to take a picture of him, he gets distracted by the camera or something.
Hi.
It's so good.
Blue, what are you doing? What are you doing? Got your bone? Woo!
Humongous horn I've ever seen. And it's a really, really big horn. I use it to call my goats home. I'm a goat herder.
Hi, Blue.
Really cozy. Doing great, Alice. I still can't believe we've gone so far already. I knew you could do it. Now, are you ready for this? I'm not sure.
Oh my god, the Christmas vlog was really good.
I have
Yeah.
curtain there.
Oh, you
See if
do?
you want it. It's
I don't think we
complete
need
tone.
any more.
You don't need any more? Okay.
What color was it?
It's in a brown. There is the heavy one. There is light one right there.
My little brother is 4 months old.
It's real.
February 1st na.
Hey, what's up guys? So we are at this house that my family bought, and me and Hong and my brothers too are turning it into an Airbnb, and we plan on making a whole entire video on it on how to furnish your house for cheap, because we are doing this in a very cost-efficient way, because you know it's a business and you want to make profit out of it as much as you can, so we try to spend very little on the furnishing but still make it like look good, obviously. So we're gonna make a whole video on that, but we are here now. And yeah, we're just gonna be working on this house for the night, trying to furnish it, put some furniture together, and you know, all that fun stuff. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that video.
So, you ready?
Oh, today I put a hole.
I have a grip. My gloves.
Make sure this is secured properly. It's gonna hold a lot of weight. There's 2 small screws on the side. I'm gonna tell you later on what for it is. Just play.
Where is it? Oh my gosh, it's not here. Oh, here it is. Oh, going back.
Doesn't look like okay. You don't know what okay means?
Hong, what are you doing?
Cutting up some salmon.
I haven't been sold to
Salmon sushi.
in so long.
What does gap mean? All our Vietnamese viewers.
They're gonna comment, I know what it means. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Birthday boy! Every day I walked up this holding, giving out flyers, like whatever standing in the car. They're like, are you Filipino?
Yeah. Like, yeah.
So now Hong is preparing the gooey duck.
You need more
Wow, that's so cute.
You good? You like that phone?
Would you look at that?
Give it with a check. Put the ice pack underneath.
No, I'm not gonna put
Put your hand up.
That's exactly.
Put your hand up.
This one is gonna be no citrus because I wanted to bring different flavors to the table. And this one's gonna be like a ceviche, a lot of citrus, so I didn't want to, you know, duplicate too much of the flavors. And then we got some guac, you know, to make it very, you know, Spanish ceviche. Boom, that. And then we also have the fresh Sammy. We got the O Toro and the True Toro to make it very good.
to make it very good.
Yeah.
And the gooey dip.
That's awesome. Oh, dude, fam. I was like, wait, why? It's so hot. Here, use some of mine. Okay. It's a little watered down. Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Queen! Happy birthday to
Let's see.
Looks good. Okay.
Okay.
Looking around.
I first time make this, okay?
Okay.
I don't even know it's
eat
good.
it, Hong.
Salmon's not even cooked. Okay.
It's supposed to be like that. It's healthy congee ever, okay? What?
Oh wait, no, there's one left. No.
Ăn cháo.
Còn cháo.
Cháo ngon kia.
It's raw salmon.
Mmm.
Ooh.
Wow. It's like
Xạo lắm.
no, it's like there's a party in my mouth and everyone's invited.
Wow.
Never heard that one before.
You guys not gonna eat this?
Hi guys. Hi Chani. Hi Lynn.
What's so funny, G?
Things about each drawing with the buttons on your device.
One of them is poo.
What is that? What the? I know exactly.
Another time.
Oh.
Yellow wires.
Okay.
Cut all wires.
Cut all wires.
Okay.
Oh, wait,
so
wait.
I can't do red wires.
Okay.
So I just do two.
Okay.
I do two.
You do two?
And you do all.
And I'm just doing everything.
Yeah. Go.
Oh. Jeez, I better get a job after this.
Bomb squad.
Oh,